Guys, hey, it's Lucky from Busted Stud Garage. Today we're going to try to move on with rebuilding the calipers for the 16 Impala. These are those 4-piston calipers I got out of a junk car up in New Hampshire. Sandblasted them, primed them, painted them with caliper paint, cleaned them all up. Yeah, so if you look, I took 800 grit on the sleeves, made sure they were nice and clean. Use some brake cleaner on all the orifices with a pipe cleaner, stuffed it through each one. Got them cleaned up pretty nice. So now I want to show you, I bought a kit with new pistons, seals, and seals for the pistons. I'm going to throw it all together. I just want to show you how that job goes, what kind of tools I need, and stick with us. Alright, so let's get started here. First thing, I got a little brake fluid right here. I'm going to lube up the seals with brake fluid. Just a little splash. I'm also going to put a little bit inside on the sleeve. Doesn't take much. Just want to make sure it's going to slide in nice. Alright, feel pretty good about that. And then you put the sleeve on right like this. The skirt's going to go towards the inside. Just work it around nice and easy. Make sure it's flat. Pretty good. You can see the spring goes on right here. So once again, that little skirt's got to go to the inside. It's going to go in like this. What I like to do is just make sure it's going to fit. Yep, that feels pretty good. Pull that guy out of there. Okay, so and I throw the spring on like this, and now you got to work that seal in the hole. There you go. And basically what I do is I start it on the inside, get it where I want it, and I work it around with my credit card, or you can use your wife's credit card, whatever you want, whatever you got handy. Just go around like this, with the credit card, push that lip in. That's pretty good. Okay, and that's it. They do make a special tool for that, but honestly, why not use your wife's credit card so she doesn't get to use it? Now I put this outside seal on. You could use a socket. I had this piece from a ball joint kit. You just whack it on, get it flat. I need one more right here. It's pretty good right there. Just want to make sure it's flat all the way around. Oh, it's still fighting me. Give you another one right here. There you go. That's the stuff. And then I take, one of these little punches. It's not really sharp. And what I want to do is work the piston up a little bit. Work it up. Come around, work it up. You got to pull it up straight. Pull it up straight. That. Now the outside seal's in, and pretty much this side is done. I'm going to repeat that on here, then we'll go to do the other side, put the little O-rings around here, and put the caliper together. But I wanted to just show you how you could do this job with a credit card. If you're not careful, you'll end up doing this to it. Here's one that I destroyed before I figured out how to do it. Really, I tried to push it in. I didn't get it in. I was pushing, and I pushed so hard it ripped the seal. So you want to try to avoid that, use the credit card. Hope this helps. I'll show you how the rest of the job goes. Thanks for watching Busted Stud Garage.